Welcome. My name is Mara Jenny from the company Any Science. I'm 10 years old. Today I will explain you how easy it is to start a linear motor stage. For this we need first the linear motor stage intact with the integrated servo controller. Second, a power supply with 24 volt DC. And third, the USB-C cable with USB-C connector. That's it all. First, I plug in the power supply. I see that the display is turning on and everything is okay. And then I plug in the USB-C cable. Now a network device is automatically inside in the computer. With the keyboard I put in the command run.webmotion. Yes, the linear motor is already running and now Higer aiming from faster moving. And longer stroke. It's all very easy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Your Mara Jenny.